हरे कृष्णा। हरे कृष्णा मैडम।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
हरे कृष्णा माता जी।
दंडवत
कृष्णा।
प्रणाम।
दंडवत प्रभु।
हरे कृष्णा माता जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
हरे कृष्णा। हरे कृष्णा।
Is it starting?
हाँ, यस प्रभु।
Okay, okay. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु। हाउ आर यू? होप यू आर डूइंग
Huh?
गुड।
Yeah, I'm fine, but my eyes are still very bad, so I can't read anything. I can only hear.
ओके ओके ओके। टेक केयर प्रभु।
Thank you, thank you.
ओके, we'll start with the prayers. ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाखया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपाय कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमती भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी इति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे रामा राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरिहराय नमः कृष्णाय यादवाय नमः यादवाय माधवाय केशवाय नमः हरिहराय नमः कृष्ण यादवाय नमः यादवाय माधवाय गोविंदाय नमः श्री कृष्ण हरि बोल गोपाल हरि बोल राधा रमण गोविंद हरि बोल श्री कृष्ण हरि बोल गोपाल हरि बोल राधा रमण गोविंद हरि बोल जय राधा गोविंद राधे जय गौरनिताय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय जय पंचतत्वा पंचतत्वा जय पंचतत्वा जय प्रभुपादा प्रभुपादा जय प्रभुपादा निताय गौर हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल वाञ्छा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. So welcome you all to the initiation course. As I have a Ekadashi Bhagavad Gita Sloka recitation on Saturday, I have just preponed the classes and trying to finish today and tomorrow. Okay. So today we'll be learning about Mangalarti. So this is the first prayer what we offer to the Lord. And it is uniform across all temples and ISKCON across the globe. Start by 4:30 and some temples they may do it by 5 or 5:30. Very few centers as per their convenience, but uniformly throughout the globe, wherever you see, let's say USA or Australia or any other continent, there's a uniform time which they follow is by morning 4:30 it start. So first it starts with Guruvashtakam, that is Ashta Sloka, 8 slokas where we offer obeisances onto the spiritual master Srila Prabhupada, and followed by Narsimharti, offer the prayers to Lord Narsimha to give us the strength and protection to progress in the spiritual journey, followed by Tulsi Aarti. Okay, and if you go by temple program, afternoon they have a Bhoga Aarti where they sing Yashomati Nandana song, and they offer the food to the Lord, and same is been distributed as a prasadam to all the devotees. Coming to the end again, uniformly by some follow it by 6, some by 6:30, but it starts from 6 onwards, the dawn as it starts. So they start the Sandhya Aarti in the form of a Gaur Aarti followed by the Tulsi Puja. Okay, this is the common things which happens in most of the temple. Okay, so coming to the first Aarti, that is Guruvashtakam. This is how it goes. Anybody has idea about this, they can volunteer to recite this, or otherwise I will do it.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Krishna Mataji.
Krishna Mataji.
मैं करूं? Shall I go for it? संसार दावा नललिधलोका त्रणायाकारण्या घन घनत्वं प्राप्त सकल्याणा गुणनभास्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दम्.
Hare Krishna Mataji. So other devotee can read this synonyms, and next person can read the translation.
Shall I read the synonyms?
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Neetu Mataji. Yes, you can read the synonym. I think Sudha Mataji can read the translation.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Samsar of material existence, Davanal, the forest fire, leader, afflicted, Loka, the people, Tranai of deliver, Karunai of mercy, Ghana Ghanatvam, the quality of the cloud, Praptase, who has obtained, Kalyan, auspicious, Guna, qualities, Anvasya, who is an ocean, Vande, I offer obeisances, Guru of a spiritual master, Shri, auspicious, Charna Arvindam, unto the lotus feet. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Great. Yes, Sudha Mataji. You're not audible, Mataji. You're unmuted, but you're not audible.
Mataji.
Hi,
Hare
yes,
Krishna.
Mataji. You're audible. Yes, Mataji.
The spiritual master is receiving benediction from the ocean of mercy. Just as a cloud pours water on a forest fire to extinguish it, so the spiritual master delivers the materially afflicted world by extinguishing the blazing fire of material existence. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of such a spiritual master who is an ocean of auspicious qualities. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So this is first and foremost step, that we are taking shelter of a spiritual master who can deliver us from this material clutches. Okay. So this starts, first of all, we have to, if you happen to observe in a temple, or when you wanted to start a deity worship at your home and all, you have to first arrange for a puja thali, okay, which consists of the incense sticks, because first it will go incense sticks. We have to offer it to the Lord, followed by diyas. Then before all these things, you have to take a water and do the achamna. So first you have to say Gange che Yamne che Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kavirim Jalesmin Sindham Kudu. You have to put on that kalash and say these words. Then you have to take an achanam by saying Om Keshvaya Namaha, Narayana Namaha, Madhavaya Namaha, and drink the water, and Govinda, you have to drop it down. Then blow the conch shell 3 times, okay? Then light the incense sticks. Then you start with the Samsara Davanala. Just we have to show it to the Lord, okay? This is how it goes. So when we are doing this 8 slokas, okay, step by step, one goes first, 1 or 2, it will go, you have to show the incense towards the Lord, okay? Then again, you have to do achamna by taking a drop of water in the hands and purify it. Then you offer the ghee lamp to the Lord. Then again do the achamna, then offer the water in a conch shell, okay? Then offer the cloth to the Lord, the kerchief, you have to keep that and offer it to the Lord, okay? Then the chamara, then the peacock feather, and lastly, you have to offer the flowers to the Lord, okay? And you can keep one balbogha in the morning, okay? In the form of any dry prasadam, you can keep at home. Put a tulsi leaf on that and offer it to the Lord. So when we are doing all this process, simultaneously, you have to recite all these mantras, okay? It is always good if you are having a family members or a devotee association who one is singing the song and other is offering it to the Lord. If it is not available, then fine. You can take one, bell, okay? And you can just continue by doing so, okay? Now we'll move on to the next sloka. Yes, who wanted to recite this?
May I recite, Mataji?
I think you did, no, Mataji, no?
I didn't do.
I will.
That was me, Mataji.
Okay, fine. Sorry, confusion. Yes, Mataji, you can start.
Mahaprabhu Kirtana Nitya Gita Vaditra Madhyan Manasura Sena Romanchakam Pashrutaranga Bhajo Vande Guru Shri Charanaravindam. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yes. Yes, Dinesh Prabhu, you can read the synonyms.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you. Mahaprabhu of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Kirtana by chanting, Nritya dancing, Geeta, singing, Vaditra, playing musical instruments, Madhyat, gladdened, Manasa, whose mind, Rasina, due to the mellows of pure devotion, Romancha, standing of the hair, Kampa, quivering of the body, Ashrutaranga, torrents of tears, Bhaja, who feels, Bande, I offer obeisances, Guru of my spiritual master, Sri auspicious, Charan Arabindam, unto the lotus feet, Lord.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Yeah, who wanted
Shall
to
I
read
go
the
ahead with the translation? Purport?
Yes,
Also?
Prabhu, you can. Yeah, yes, Prabhu.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Chanting the holy name, dancing in ecstasy, singing and playing musical instrument, the spiritual master is always gladdened by the Sankirtana movement of Sri Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because he is relishing the mellows of pure devotion within his mind. Sometimes his hair stands on end, he feels quivering in his body, and tears flow from his eyes like waves. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of such a spiritual master. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So first we have surrendered onto we have taken shelter of a spiritual master because he only can deliver us. So therefore we are offering the obeisances onto him. Second, again, chanting the holy name, dancing in ecstasy, singing, playing musical instrument. So the spiritual master is always gladdened by the Sankirtana movement of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay, so he is relishing this pure devotion within his mind, and it's so ecstatic to feel, and sometimes the tears are flowing from his eyes like a waves. So therefore again I'm offering my respectful obeisances on to the spiritual master. Next sloka. Who wanted to recite?
Shall I, Mataji? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Nirja Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Thank you. Shri Vigraharadhana Nityanala Shringara Tanmandira Marjanada Yuktasya Bhaktam Niyanjatopi Vande Guru Shri Charanarabindam. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Mataji, you can continue with the synonym and the meaning also.
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, the left portion of the synonyms is not visible to me, Mataji. The left side.
But I think it is visible.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, Mataji.
Mataji, you may have to scroll up, Mataji.
Yes, I did. Shri Vigraha, of the Archa Vigraha, deities. Aradhana, the worship. Nitya, daily. Nana, with.
Various.
Various clothing and ornaments. Tat, of the Lord. Mandira, of the temple. Marjana, Adav. I am not able to do it.
Mataji, you're seeing in the mobile, I think.
Yeah, Mataji, some problem with my device today. That's why I'm attending with mobile.
Shall I continue, Mataji?
Yes, Prabhu.
Mandira of the temple, Marjana, Adav, in cleaning, etc. Yuktasya, who is engaged. Bhaktan, his disciples. Cha, and Nrityunjaya, who engages. Api, also.
अर्जुन
Vande.
उवाच एवं सततयुक्तः ये भक्ताः स्वां पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तम्
Yes,
Vande,
Prabhu.
I offer obeisances. Guru, my spiritual master, Sri, auspicious, Charanara Vindam, unto the lotus feet. Shall I continue with the puppet, Mataji?
Prabhu.
The spiritual master is always engaged in the temple worship of Sri Radha and Krishna. He also engages his disciples in such worship. They dress the deities in beautiful clothes and ornaments, clean their temple, and perform other similar worship of the Lord. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of such a spiritual master. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna. So first we have surrender onto the spiritual master. Second is a Sankirtana movement by which we are engaged. Sometimes ecstasy goes so high, one may have a tears in their tears flowing down. And and third is the spiritual master is always engaged in the worship of the Shri Radha and Govind. And he also engages disciples in such a worship. So it is similar to like personal bhakti, where we are always engaged in dressing the deity, putting on the ornaments to the lordships and clean the temple premises and all other upachara where we are contributing to the temple services. Therefore, I offer my respectful obeisances onto the lotus feet of such a spiritual master. Yes. Next, you can read. Yes, Neetu Mataji, you can read this sloka, synonym and the puppet.
Chaturvidha Shri Bhagavat Prasad Swadana Triptan Haribhakta Sangha Chitveva Triptim Bhajate Sadeva Vande Guru Shri Chanaravindam. Chatu 4 Vidha kinds Shri holy Bhagavad Prasada which have been offered to Krishna. Swad palatable on foods. Tiptan spiritually satisfied, Hari of Krishna, Bhakta Sangha, the devotees, Kritva having made, Eva, Ev, thus, Triptim satisfaction, Bhajita who feels, Sada always, Ev, certainly, Vande I offer obeisances, Guru of my spiritual master, Shri auspicious Charna Ravindam unto the lotus feet. The spiritual master is always offering Krishna 4 kinds of delicious food. When the spiritual master sees the devotees are satisfied by eating Bhagavad Prasada, he is satisfied. I offer my respective obeisance unto the lotus feet of such a spiritual master. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So first is the surrender. Second is the Sankirtana movement. Third is doing the upachara towards the Lordship. And fourth is taking the offering of the Lord in the form of a prasadam. So what a progress we are having, isn't it? So therefore we offer our obeisances onto the lotus feet of a spiritual master. Okay. Next, yes, Sridevi Mataji, you can read the next one.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Sri Radhika Madhavyora Madhurya Leela Gunarupa Namna Pratikshana Swadanalolupasya Bande Guru Sri Charanaravindam. Sri Radhika of Srimati Radharani, Madhavayo of Lord Madhava, Krishna, Apara, Unlimited, Madhurya, conjugal, Leela, pastimes, Guna, qualities, Rupa, forms, Namnam of the holy names, Pratikshana at every moment, Ashradana, releasing, Lolupasya, who aspires after, Bande, I offer obeisances, Guru of my spiritual master, Sri, auspicious Charanaravindam unto the lotus feet. The spiritual master is always eager to hear and chant about the unlimited conjugal pastimes of Radhika and Madhava and their qualities, names, and forms. The spiritual master aspires to release this at every moment. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of such a spiritual master. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So after taking prasadam, now we have progress to here and chant about the unlimited conjugal pastimes of Radhika and Madhava. Okay, and their qualities, their names, their forms. So spiritual master aspire to release these at every moment. So we have taken a shelter of spiritual master, progress to do the Sankirtana movement. Then we are doing service to the Lord. And we are taking the prasadam, which has been offered to the Lord. Now, Shravanam, we are hearing about the pastimes of the Lord and the Srimad Radharani. So we are becoming purified from every angle. Okay. So therefore, I offer my respectful obeisances onto the spiritual master. Yes. Pravina Mataji, yes, you can read now.
Nikunjayuno Ratikeli Siddhe Yayali Viryuktira Pekshaniya तत्राति दक्षादति वल्लभस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दम्. I'll continue, Mataji.
Yes.
Translation and
Mataji.
Nikunja, you know, of Radha and Krishna, Rati of conjugal love, Keli of pastime, Siddhye for the perfection, Ya, whatever, Alibhi by the gopis, Yukti arrangements, Apekshaniya desirable, Tatra in that connection, Ati Dakshat because of being very expert, Ati Vallabhasya who is very dear, Vande I offer obeisances, Guru of my spiritual master, Shri auspicious Charana Aravindam, unto the lotus feet. The spiritual master is very dear because he is expert in assisting the gopis who at different times make different tasteful arrangements for the perfection of Radha and Krishna's conjugal loving affairs within the groves of Vrindavana. I offer my most humble obeisances unto the lotus feet of such a spiritual master. Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Spiritual master also assists the gopis in the tasteful arrangement of the perfection of Radha and Govind's conjugal love affair. That is service towards Lord Krishna. Okay, so therefore offer my respectful obeisances unto such a spiritual master. Okay, next.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
साक्षात्तरित्वेन समस्तशास्त्रे उक्तस्तथा भाव्यतेव सद्भिः किन्तु प्रभोर्य प्रियैव तस्य वन्दे गुरो श्रीचरणारविन्दम्. Sakshat directly, Haritvena with the quality of Hari, Samasta all, Shastra by scriptures, Ukta acknowledged, Tata thus, Bhavyate is considered, Eva also, Sadbi by great saintly persons, Kintu however, Prabho to the Lord, Yah who, Priya dear, Eva certainly, Tasya of him the Guru. One day I offer obeisances, Guru of my spiritual master, Sri Charana Aravindam, unto the lotus feet. Translation: the spiritual master is to be honored as much as the Supreme Lord because he is the most confidential servitor of the Lord. This is acknowledged in all revealed scriptures and followed by all authorities. Therefore, I offer my respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of such a spiritual master who is a bona fide representative of Sri Hari Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So, see, they say no, because God cannot come and he has given parents so that they can take care of us in every angle, right? From the moment we are born on this earth. Similarly, the spiritual master, he take care of us in every angle, you know, so he has to be honored as much as the Supreme Personality of the Godhead. And we have to serve him with utmost devotion. So this is acknowledged in all revealed scriptures and followed by all the authorities. So therefore, may I offer my respectful obeisances unto the spiritual master. Okay, yes, Anita Mataji, Hare Krishna, you can read this.
Hare Krishna. यस्य प्रसादात् भगवत् प्रसादो यस्य प्रसादान्नकति कुतोऽपि ध्यायन्तुवं तस्य यशस्त्रिसन्ध्यं वन्दे गुरो श्रीचरणारविन्दम्. Yasya, of whom the spiritual master, prasadat by the grace, Bhagavat of Krishna, prasadha the mercy, yasya of whom, aprasadat without the grace, not, gatihi means of advancement, kuta api from anywhere, dhyayan meditating upon, stuvan praising, tasya of him, the spiritual master, yashaka the glory, Trisandhyam, 3 times a day, sunrise, noon and sunset. One day I offer obeisances. Guru of my spiritual master. 3 auspicious, Charanaravindam, unto the lotus feet. By the mercy of the spiritual master, one receives the benediction of Krishna. Without the grace of the spiritual master, one cannot make any advancement. Therefore, I should always remember and praise the spiritual master. At least 3 times a day, I should offer my respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of my spiritual master. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So the person who is saving us from all the materialistic manifestations and all miseries, so we have to just offer the obeisances 3 times a day. Okay. So that will help us to progress further in the bhakti. Okay. So anyone who recites these prayers in the Brahma Muhurta loudly and attentively recites these 8 prayers glorifying the spiritual master will at the end of his life attains the direct service to the Lord of the Vrindavana. Okay. So this particular song is offering obeisances particular to the spiritual master, and the symptoms of the spiritual masters are observed in this prayer. Spiritual master has to be 2 kinds of symptoms in his activities. One is constant and the other is temporary. So the first verse says that the constant symptom of spiritual master is that he can deliver the disciples from the blazing fire of this material existence. This is the eternal qualification of a spiritual master. Okay. So we have finished this. Then we'll go to our next Aarti. Okay. Just a minute. I will take on to the next. So while we are reciting all this, we have to complete all the upacharas till the peacock feather. Okay. Then comes the Narsimha Aarti. Here we have to offer the Lord the incense in the form of any perfume or like that. You have to put it on a piece of a cotton and offer it to the Lord. Or okay. So I'm just sharing you the screen again. Yeah. Again, anybody familiar with this, they can volunteer to read this. It will be a practice for you, because in the interview, they will ask you to recite this. And they will ask also the questions about what does the first verse of Ishtastakam say, Guru Ashtakam says, and all those things. Okay.
Shall I, Mataji?
The sequence of offering is first is the Guru Ashtakam, followed by the Narsimha-arti. Okay, followed by the Tulsi Aarti, Prabhu.
Mataji, I'm asking different thing. The first is incense, then the Deepak. Third is in that order.
Water. Water.
Third is water. Thereafter.
Water in the conch shell, Prabhu.
Okay, Mataji. After that, chamar comes
After that,
last.
no, then the cloth in the form of a kerchief folded in a
Handkerchief. Okay. Folded. And thereafter.
Chamar.
Chamar, yes.
Peacock feather.
Peacock feather. Yes, Mataji.
And then the last, you have to offer the flowers, Prabhu.
Flowers. Thank you. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Okay, for Narsimha, yeah, Hare Krishna. For Narsimha-arti, you have to offer the incense to the Lord. Incense in the sense perfume. Okay. Yes. Who were reciting? I just interrupted them.
Yes, Mataji. Myself, Mataji.
Oh, yes, Mataji, you can continue.
Full, Mataji. Full, should I recite the full pranama?
Yes,
Narsimha
Mataji.
pranama? Yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Shri Narsimha Pranama. Namaste Narasimhaya Prahaladaladaine Hiranyakashipurvakshashila Sankanakalaye Hito Narsimha Parato Narsimho Yato Yato Yamitato Narsimha Pahi Narsimha Hridaye Narsimha Narasimhamadim Sharanam Prapadye Tava Karakamalavaре
नखम् अद्भुतशृङ्गम् दलितहिरण्यकशिपो तनुभृङ्गम् केशवधृता नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे हरे कृष्ण माताजी
Hare Krishna. Mataji, this will go in one line. Hiranyakashi Porvakshaha Shilatanka Nakhalaye. Okay?
yes ma'am.
Okay, that's just fine. So I offer my yeah, anybody wanted to volunteer to read this translation? Yes.
Yes, Mataji,
Yes,
Hare
Sridevi.
Yes, Mataji, Hare Krishna. I offer my obeisances to Lord Narsimha, who gives joy to Prahlada Maharaj, and whose nails are like chisels on the stone-like chest of the demon Hiranyakashipu. Lord Narasimha is here and also there. Wherever I go, Lord Narasimha is there. He is in the heart and is outside as well. I surrender to Lord Narasimha, the origin of all things and the supreme refugee. Prayer to Lord Narasimha by Jaidev Goswami. O Keshava, O Lord of the universe, O Lord Hari, who have assumed the form of half man, half lion, all glories to you. Just as one can easily crush a wasp between one's fingernails, so in the same way, the body of the wasp-like demon Hiranyakashipu has been ripped apart by the wonderful pointed nails on your beautiful lotus hands. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. So we'll conclude by Narsimhati. Then we blew the conch shell again, so that our aarti is completed. Okay. Then we'll move on with the same aarti thali. What I have explained you, all these things: the incense, the ghee lamp, then the arghya, that is the water in a water which we have to offer in a conch shell. Then the kerchief, the cloth we'll offer it to the Tulsi Maharani, and the chamara and peacock feather, and lastly the flowers. The same order will continue there, and we will offer the obeisances on to the Tulsi Mataji. Okay, so we'll go on to our next this thing. Let me just share that one. Okay. So we'll move on to our next.
Shall I read the Tulsi Arti Mataji?
Yes, you can. Yes.
Namo Namah
Before this,
Tulasi.
Mataji, Hare Krishna. Before this, we have to offer the
Hare Krishna Mataji. Sorry,
obeisances.
Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah. Before this, we have to offer.
I forgot that. I forgot that. Sorry, Mataji. Brindaye Tulsi Devyaye Priyaye Keshavasya cha Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavati Namo Namah. Brindaye Tulsi Devyaye Priyaye Keshavasya cha Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavati Namo Namah. Brindaye Tulsi Devyaye Priyaye Keshavasya cha Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavati Namo Namah. Namo Namah Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namah Radha Krishna Seva Pavo Eya Vilasi Radha Krishna Seva Pavo Eya Vilasi Namo Namah Je tomara saranala Tara vancha purna hoy Kripa kari karo tare Vrindavana vasi Mora eiya vilas विलास कुंज दियो बास, नयन हेरी बोसदा, युगल रूप राशि। এই নিবেদন ধারো সাখিরানো গাতাকারো, সেবাধিকার দিও করো নিজ দাসী। দীন কৃষ্ণ দাসে কা এই নমরা হয়। श्री राधा गोविंदा प्रेमे सदा ये नवासी। यानि तानि च पापानि ब्रह्महत्यानि पानि च
Mataji,
तानि
Mataji. Yes, thank you, thank you. Yani Kani Chapapani.
Okay, okay.
Okay, no issue. So we have to first offer the obeisances on to Tulsi Maharani by saying, offering the prayers by Vrindaye Tulsi Devi, Priyaye Keshavastaja, Vishnu Bhakti Prade Devi, Satyavache, Namo Namaha. Then we have to offer this prayer to her. Again, the incense, the ghee lamp, the arghya, then the kerchief, then the chamar and the peacock feather, lastly the flowers. And after we offer all these things, then wash your hands again, then offer the water to the Tulsi Maharani and take the pradakshina. Okay, then you say this word of pradakshina mantra. So this is how the morning puja is completed. Till now it is clear. Any doubts?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, before this Tulsi Aarti, you said there was something we need to say that. What was that?
That is pranam mantra to Tulsi Maharani. Vrindaye
Okay.
Tulsi Devi, Priyaye Shivashtacha, Vishnu Bhakti Prade Devi, Satyavachaya Namo Namaha.
Okay.
Okay.
Hare Krishna. Okay.
Hare Krishna. So now we come to our last section, that is the Gaurarti. This we perform it in the evening. Okay. Just a minute. So coming to the last Aarti, this is the Gaurarti. Again, after this, Tulsi Aarti will be then. I think you are familiar with the Tulsi Aarti, the Gaurarti. This is the particular lyrics we offer it to the Lord. Okay, anybody is familiar with this? They can volunteer to read. Otherwise, I will do it.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Shall I, Mataji?
Yes, 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 ma'am.
कि बजाया जय गोरा चांदे आरती शोभा जाह्नवी तट बने जगा मन लोभा कि बजाया जय गोरा चांदे आरती शोभा जाह्नवी तट बने जगा मन लोभा कि बादखीने निताई चाँद बामे गदाधारा निकटे अद्वैत श्रेणी बासा चक्रधारा कि बाबासी अच्छे गौरा चाँद रत्न सिंहासने आरती करे ब्रह्मा आदि देवगणे कि वानरा हरियादि करी चामर डुलाया संजय मुकुंद बासु घोषादि गाया। यहाँ पर चेंज होगा माता जी वाला। शंख बाजे घंटा बाजे बाजे करताल मधुर मृदंग बाजे परामरसाल मधु मधु मधुर बाजे मधु मधु मधुर बाजे मधु मधु मधुर बाजे परामरसाल कि बहु कोटि चंद्र जिनी बदन उज्ज्वला गला दे से बना माला करे झलमाला शिवा शिवा सुकनारदा प्रेमे गदा गदा भक्ति विनोदा देखे गोरारा संपादा। हरे कृष्ण माता जी, थैंक यू।
Hare Krishna. Then we have to start with the Panchatattva Mahamantra, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, all those things, and continue the Aarti in the evening. Okay?
जी माता
Yeah. Yeah. Hare Krishna. Somebody else can read the translation.
माता जी, just a doubt, may I ask right now or after translation I'll ask?
Yeah, please.
Mataji, during the Gaur Aarti in the evening time when we are doing the same thing, we have to continue, na? Like right in the morning what we did. The steps of Aarti.
Yes, yes, same thing.
Okay, Mataji.
Who wanted to read the translation?
Hare Krishna Mataji, can I read?
Yes, yes, Mataji.
Okay. Translation. All glories to the beautiful Aarti ceremony of Lord Chaitanya. This Gaur Aarti is taking place in a grove on the banks of the Jahnavi, Ganges, and is attracting the minds of all living entities in the universe. Second, on Lord Chaitanya's right side is Lord Nityananda, and on his left is Sri Gadadhar. Nearby stands Sri Advaita, and Srivasa Thakura is holding an umbrella over Lord Chaitanya's head. 3. Lord Chaitanya has sat down on a jeweled throne, and the demigods, headed by Lord Brahma, perform the Aarti ceremony. 4. Narhari, Sarkara, and other associates of Lord Chaitanya fan him with chamaras, and devotees headed by Sanjay Pandita, Mukunda Datta, and Vasu Gosha sing sweet kirtana. 5. Conch shells, bells, and kartalas resound, and the mridangas play very sweetly. This kirtana music is supremely sweet and relishable to hear. 6. The brilliance of Lord Chaitanya's face conquers millions upon millions of moons, and the garland of forest flowers around his neck shines. 7. Lord Shiva, Sukdev Goswami, and Narad Muni are all there, and their voices are choked with the ecstasy of transcendental love. Thus, Thakura Bhakti Vinoda envisions the glory of Lord Sri Chaitanya. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. I'm so fortunate enough to take this class so that there is a revision for me also, all these things. I'm just, yeah, thank you all devotees for giving this opportunity. So any doubt? I think all the aartis we have completed. Any doubt in anything, please ask.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji, in the morning after Tulsi Aarti, like when we watch in the online Mangalore Mangal Aarti, there is 6 Ashtakam. Shall we do that after the Aarti? Because that doesn't come under Aarti, Mataji.
No, with that offering is there after the Aarti. Tomorrow's class. Today is only about the Aarti songs.
Okay.
Tomorrow class.
I thought that also comes under Aarti. Okay,
Yeah.
Mataji, thank you for clarifying.
10 offenses and the Shishtastakam. Tomorrow we will do it.
Okay, Hari Bol Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
So, yes, Mataji.
This local temple also will ask us any questions. When we go and want to get the NOC from them, they will not ask us
nothing.
any.
It is just your interaction, your good relationship with them, by which they, if they know you, familiar with you, they will give you Mataji. Or you can ask like, we need an MC Prabhu for this initiation. It will be of a kind help. Can give us. So they will give Mataji. They will not.
Okay.
If you are a new person, maybe I don't know from person to person. But if they are familiar with you, they will not.
Okay. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Only people who are attending regularly Aarti and engaging in service, they will know Mataji. Suddenly, if they ask no, nobody will be able to answer all these questions.
Yeah, yes, Mataji. Yeah, true, Mataji. Yes.
Yes, Dinesh Prabhu, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji, we are associated with the ISKCON temple Mangalore Pulai for almost last 2.5 years or so. So would it be possible for them to give us NOC?
Yes, Prabhuji, if you have any issue, no, you get an NOC, you can contact the temple authorities. They will help you with that.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you.
Hare Krishna Mataji, regarding this NOC thing, we have to approach our Shiksha Guru, whoever is taking classes for us.
Yes,
Recommend
admin, if
for
we
the-
can, they will help you.
If that Prabhuji is connected to Mangaluru doing services, I think probably the Shiksha Guru may be able to help.
Yeah, they will, the admins and your teachers can help you out regarding this.
Hare Krishna, thank you Prabhuji.
Any questions? Hope it is clear. Sometimes they will ask you to sing without singing also. Because when the interview is going on, it's a live video call session. They will ask you to sit and they ask you to chant without singing. So be prepared. At least try to make it a point to hear it, write it down and rehearse little bit so that whenever they say, not the whole aarti, but at least they know whether you know it or not. So they will test. So it is always better if you practice it. Okay.
Mataji, Hare Krishna. Mataji, one question. I have come across one devotee is already initiated, Mataji, both the initiation. She was telling that it's very difficult to follow according to the temple standards. Some things cannot be followed according to the temple standards. Is it all right, Mataji? Will it not be an offense?
And nothing, Mataji. We are not living in a temple now. We are grihasthas and living in a they say household. So here we can't, if we are able to follow that, that is well and good, but it is next to impossible to follow that. Some amount of deviation will be there we are doing in a temple.
Yeah, some of the steps we may miss, Mataji. Conch shell, chamara, and all that. And all
Come into no, Mataji, it will come into the practice if you do it. It's a matter of practice.
Okay. Okay, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Krishna. So in this particular picture, the central picture is of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. The one in the blue color is Nityananda Prabhu. The other one is Advaita Prabhu, Gadadhara Pandita and Vasadi Pandita. Okay, these are the Panchatatvas. Okay. Hare Krishna. Any more doubts or questions?
Mataji, can you rename them again?
The one in golden color is Gauranga Mahaprabhu. The one in the blue is Nityananda Prabhu. Gadadhara Pandita will be on the extreme left, but generally his hair all will be the gray color, but here it is uniform to all. Then you got a Advaita Pandita will be on the left. Then Gadadhara Pandita and Vasadi. Gadadhara is a Srimati Radharani and Vasadi Pandita is a Naradmani. So whenever Lord comes, he will not come alone. He will come with all his associates. Okay. Hare Krishna. Any doubts or anything you wanted to ask? Hope it is clear. Aarti part.
Yes,
Thank you,
Mataji.
Prabhu.
Thank you, Mataji.
So nicely explained, Mataji, thank you.
So very nicely explained, Mataji. Thanks a lot.
Yes, Prabhu. I think all of you have to practice. That is the main purpose of taking these classes. So any doubts, any thing, you can please post it in the group so that we'll try to rectify and help you out Okay, so but do practice because they may ask to sing any of the artis, or they may ask, what is the first stanza of Guru Ashtakam is? Can you please tell me the meaning? So be prepared with all these things. Okay.
Only
Okay,
Gaura
ma'am.
Aarti is little difficult, Mataji.
Yeah,
It
it's
is
a bit
difficult,
long.
but they also don't expect you to be perfect in this, but at least some amount of, at least they know, yes, some attempt they are making to know this, that is enough. But if you know well enough, it is very good for you. Okay.
Thank you,
Vancha
Mataji.
kalpatar Hare Krishna Vancha kalpatarubhyascha Kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Thank you, participants, for your active participation. See you all tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Hare Krishna.
Dandavad
Thank you,
Pranam, Mataji.
Mataji.
Hare
Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam.